I was actually drawn to first the transmission and then the transmission and distribution space, and now with all of the changes related to distributed energy resources, where the customer and distributed resources meet the grid is actually the most exciting part of the industry today. Well, over the last few years, we've started to see a lot of resources show up on the customer side of the meter. So we have customers installing photovoltaics, we have a lot of demand response, we have the emergence of microgrids, and all of a sudden the utility is having to manage electricity coming to them as opposed to just providing it. And this is particularly important because the utility retains the responsibility for reliability. So now they have to integrate all of these resources across a footprint where they used to control everything. Well, the question about distributed energy resources is front and center for everyone. And because we've had a front row seat to some of the most important regulatory proceedings in the country, we provide what I would say a more in-depth view of those issues and a perspective. Well, at the highest level, we help utilities adapt and transform to accommodate alternative resources. So utilities are going to be called upon to operate the grid differently, and we can help them think through what they're going to have to be able to do in light of these alternative resources. They have to plan the grid differently to accommodate power coming from resources that they're not accustomed to addressing on the grid. So we can help them do that. They also need very proactive regulatory and customer strategies, and we are front and center at some of these proceedings and are helping our clients do that as well.